So such is the type of a condition of a person like Arjuna, where nothing is going to save him. Sanjaya said, O king, having thus spoken to Sri Krishna, again Arjuna again said to him, I will not fight, and became silent. So Sanjaya is telling Dhritarashtra, you know, Arjuna is now come to the last end point of his speech, and he says कि now Arjuna is telling Krishna, अब डिसीजन मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, डिसीजन तुम्हारे हाथ में है, तुम मेरे को बताओ करने का क्या है, मैंने करना है कि नहीं करना है ये तुम ले लो डिसीजन, मैं नहीं लेने वाला हूं. The strange part is, even then Krishna doesn't decide for him. You will come to the end of this entire book and still Krishna is telling him, I am not going to decide for you. You have to decide for yourself. और अदरवाइज मेरी जो माया है ना, वो तेरा कान पकड़ के तेरे को डिसाइड करने को लगाएगी. मैं खाली तेरे को एडवाइस दे सकता हूं, डिसीजन मैं नहीं देने वाला हूं तुमको. समझ में आया? So in your lives also, please understand, if you expect Krishna to decide for you, you are completely mistaken. और तुमको है ना प्रोज एंड कॉन्स दोनों सामने लाके रख के देगा और बोलेगा तेरे को मरने का है तो मर, जीने का है तो जी. वो मेरा काम थोड़ी है, डिसीजन तो तेरे को ही लेने का है, मैं थोड़ी डिसाइड करने वाला हूँ, मेरे को तो आता नहीं है सब डिसीजन लेने को. हाँ?
Right to the point that which you want according to your will to be happy.
No, you don't understand. There is no will. It's your destiny. It is what is going to happen is already designed, is already predestined, isn't it? So for the destiny to happen, the elements around you are going to work in such a way that they are going to force you to take that decision. Do you want a sidetrack on this? Okay, let me give it to you. See, it is like this. Destiny is already written. That means the end of the story is already known. Right? It's written down somewhere. You may take at the point in time to decide कि नहीं मैं ये करेगा कि नहीं करेगा, करेगा कि नहीं करेगा, करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. डेस्टिनी एक गधे के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करती, पूरी कायनात के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. कायनात समझ में आया? पूरे यूनिवर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. तुमको ऐसे लगता है कि सिर्फ तुम्हारा ही डेस्टिनी में है हाँ किस्सा. नो, यू आर जस्ट अ कॉग इन द व्हील. You are just a small cog in the wheel. It's a collective destiny, yes. It's a destiny for every individual on this planet Earth. You think you are the only one affected. No, you are not the only one affected. Let us say for example today, okay, Brito says, it is, oh, there is too much of snow outside, I don't think I will go out today. Or it must be very cold. मैं कार नहीं निकालेगा, मेरे को नहीं जाने का है बाहर. लेकिन कल मम्मी डैडी को सवेरे सवेरे ब्रेकफास्ट में अंडा चाहिए, बैदा. हाँ, घर में फ्रिज में बैदा नहीं है और उनके डेस्टिनी में लिखा है कि बैदा खाने का है, उन्होंने फ्रिज में नहीं है अभी, कल सवेरे कैसे खाएंगे? Isn't it a very strange thing? But it is written in their destiny they are going to eat. क्या? तो कैसे होगा? The nature, कायनात, the whole universe will work the magic in such a way that this is anyway going to happen. So Senthil will come across and he will say, Brito, I have to tell you something, boss. मेरे घर में है ना साला फ्रिज है ना, उसमें है ना डबल अंडा हो गया. मैं भी लेके आया, सत्या भी लेके आया. अभी ये बाकी का अंडा क्या, उसके ऊपर मैं बैठ के हैच थोड़ी कर सकता हूँ. तो एक काम कर रहा, तू रखना तेरे घर में. So somehow the eggs have landed in your house. द एलियन हैज लैंडेड, टिंग करके, एंड वो हो जाता है. एंड इट इज नॉट ओनली यू दैट इज गॉट अफेक्टेड, somebody from across the street has come down to you. So does it not mean that, see the situation where it has started, think about it. So that your mom and dad have to eat eggs tomorrow morning, the universe had already made arrangements for Satya to buy on one side and Senthil to buy on the other side. Both have gone independent of each other to the market and brought more than the amount of things required in the house. And finally, their fridge is also full. They don't know where to keep this stuff. The thought also was put in his mind that he has to go across to Brito's house and give it to him. So, yes, the whole thing is programmed to such a level, such fine levels. And here ब्रिटो इज थिंकिंग साला मैं बाहर कैसे जाएगा, ये कैसे होएगा, वो कैसे होएगा, ऐसा सब सोच रहा है ब्रिटो. कोई बात नहीं, अरे यूनिवर्स मैजिक करता है, क्योंकि उसको उसका डेस्टिनी फुलफिल करना है. तो तुम कितना भी बोलो कि मैं ना तलवार नहीं उठाने वाला है, मैं फाइट नहीं करने वाला है, मैं धनुष से बाण नहीं करेगा, ये नहीं करेगा, तो डेस्टिनी बोलता है तू गया भाड़ में, मेरे को भीष्म को मारने का ही है, तू क्या करेगा, और तेरे ही एरो से मारने का है. तो whether you want to fire it or not fire it, और तेरे हाथ को ऐसा करके मैं करेगा, तेरा एक है ना, मैं कठपुतली बना के कर दूंगा, चलेगा. I will make you do it. The destiny works this way. It doesn't require your support. It is anyway going to happen. So today you may refuse to do it, but the universe around you कान पकड़ के तुमको वो करने को लगाएगा. Yes, Aparna.
Wow, now you said that destiny has planned it, it's already written, so it will happen anyway. But because it is, I mean, if we keep mulling over that and not do what comes in the way of our life, जो आप बोलते हो go with the flow, saying that it's anyway going to happen, so why should I do it? तो फिर तो हम लोग पूरा कार्मिक लूप में फंस जाएंगे ना.
हाँ, कार्मिक लूप में फंसने का सवाल आता है या नहीं आता है, वो भी तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है.
अच्छा.
Yes, Padma, you are saying something. हाँ. Yes, that Swadharma part we will come to. Correct, that is the correct answer. The thing is, if I can refuse to do at this point in time, just like Arjuna is saying ना, मैं refuse करता, मैं नहीं करेगा, जा, मैं silent हो गया. हाँ, लेकिन स्टोरी तो बैकग्राउंड में चलेगा ना. अभी मेरे को पहले पिक्चर देखने को बहुत डर लगता था, क्योंकि वो ढिशुम करते थे. तो जब मेरे मम्मी डैडी पिक्चर देखने को लेके जाते थे छोटे बच्चे को, सुरेश को, तभी है ना सुरेश क्या करता था, मतलब मेरे को नहीं देखने का, मैं आगे नहीं देखेगा, मैं पीछे देखेगा, मैं प्रोजेक्टर को देखते बैठता था. समझ में आया. तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं है. हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को बहुत today also, even if you tell me the heroine dies or the hero dies in the end, I don't want to see the picture. हाँ, तो ऐसा है ना, बोलते हैं ना रोमांटिक कैरेक्टर. तो द थिंग इज, हाँ, अगर एम को एकदम डेंजरस इसमें मारता था ना, तो मैं तो पिक्चर देखता भी नहीं था 007. लेकिन उसका एंड अच्छा बताया, खराब नहीं बताया, तो इसीलिए मैं बोला देखने को जाता हूँ. क्योंकि क्या है, दूसरा वो हीरो एम है ना. You know, this is a movie which is the start of the original James Bond movies. Do you know that? This is Pari, I am talking to you. No, you don't know that. Okay, I'll tell you the reason why. Because it's the first time the character called Moneypenny was introduced.
Of course I know.
And it's the first time M is a man.
M is a man, yes.
Yes.
And
So,
there is a new Q.
yeah, there's a new Q. Of course, you like the Q, Chashma wala. Okay, so The thing is, Aparna, whether you like it or not, you may say, I don't want to do. But you are sitting on a machine, the machine is going to make you move your ass. The universe around you will make you do it. But then you are going to take the onus of it, the brunt of it will come to you, the karma will come to you. Whereas if you do your swadharma, doing it as if you are supposed to do it, it's a natural thing that you got to do, then that doesn't accrue karma. But again, we are preempting a lot of things because the introduction of swadharma and karma means we have gone into chapter 5 and 4. And Pari will wonder, yeah, abhi kya swadharma and karma and pata nahi. कर्म मराठी में मेरा मम्मी के जैसा बोलेंगे कर्म माझा मी काय तुमचं ऐकायला बसले आजा.
Dad,
Yes.
are you done answering Aparna's question?
Yep.
Okay.
I think she understood. Yep.
Well, if everything is destined, then isn't indecision destined as well?
See, indecision is associated with what is called as a temporary state of mind. It's a mind. Mind is a place where picture stories are created. Okay? It is like I may give you a batata. Ukadlela batata. Ukadlela batata means boiled potato. Or I may just give you a potato. Your mind is like a vessel. Okay? It can make a jacket potato of it. It can make a boiled potato of it. It can make sliced potato of it. Or it can make French fries out of it. The choice of having the potato, Pari has to eat the potato, is destined.
How you do it is up to you?
Yes, the choice. So this choice of execution part is with you. How it has to be done will be a part and parcel of your swadharma. Swadharma. Okay. So just for example, like I always tell them, that suppose Arjuna is supposed to fire his arrow, like Bhishma Pitama is supposed to die at 12 in the afternoon. Today's date, 12 in the afternoon, he is supposed to die. And he is supposed to die. It is written in Bhishma Pitama's destiny, he has to die with an arrow wound. The arrow is to be fired by Arjuna. Okay? Arjuna is responsible for firing the arrow. Bhishma is supposed to get killed at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Alright? These two things are destined. But Arjuna is saying, मैं नहीं फायर करेगा, मैं नहीं करेगा, मैं नहीं करेगा, मैं नहीं करेगा, मैं नहीं करेगा. Destiny says, वह भाड़ में तू, साला तेरा एरो तो मैं बराबर तेरे हाथ से ही चला के मैं उसको मारेगा. तो इमेजिन करना, वो एरो 11 बजे छोड़ता है और अपना रामानंद सागर के जैसा 1 घंटे के बाद एरो जाके उसको लगता है और वो 12 बजे मर जाता है. तो अर्जुना सोचेगा, मैंने तो उसके पास देख के नहीं मारा, मैं टारगेट प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था. लेकिन डेस्टिनी क्या बोलता है, गई भाड़ में तेरी टारगेट प्रैक्टिस, तेरे को मालूम नहीं है मैंने तेरे को एरो छोड़ने को लगाया और तेरे ही एरो से उसको मरने का था. Do you understand this? Many a times when we refuse to do the job, destiny will make us do that job. You know, many a times we think, oh, this is the person that I am in love with. Destiny says, गया भाड़ में, उसके सामने मैं और एक कैरेक्टर लाके रख देगा. ऐश्वर्या राय के सामने मैं अभिषेक बच्चन को लाके रख देगा. तू क्या करेगा? सलमान खान बोलता है, नहीं नहीं मेरा ही है. वो बोला, वो तेरा हम दिल दे चुके सनम खत्म हो गया, अभी गुरु आएगा. हाँ, तो गुरु आएगा और उसके साथ शादी करेगी वो। तुम कितना भी सोचो हम तो भाई है, बोला भाई गया भाड़ में, इसके साथ बहन के साथ शादी करने गया क्या तो उसका शादी हो जाता है उधर। Destiny is like this. It's a very funny thing. You cannot even, the idea is you have not been given the idea of